Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to completely reset Microsoft Edge in just 2 simple steps. If you are experiencing issues like crashes, slow performance, or unexpected errors, resetting Edge can help fix them. This method works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Step 1. Reset Edge from settings. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left panel, scroll down and click on Reset Settings. Click on Restore Settings to their default values, then confirm by clicking Reset. At this point, Edge will reset most of its settings, but to fully clean it, we need to proceed to the Step 2. Step 2. Completely remove Edge data. Close Microsoft Edge completely. Press Windows R to open a Run dialog box. In the dialog box, type %local appdata% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, scroll down to look for Microsoft. In the Microsoft folder, then find the Edge folder. Select the Edge folder, then press Shift+Delete to permanently delete it. Click Yes to confirm. If some files cannot be deleted, just keep them. Now, when you reopen Microsoft Edge, it will be completely reset. If your issue was caused by an outdated version, Edge may also prompt you to update the latest version. This method ensures that all settings, cache files, and stored data are completely removed, giving you a fresh start with Microsoft Edge. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye.